Hey everyone, you ever have one of those days the bikes just don't want to cooperate with you? Just trying to get these all back up and ready to get up for sale. So they've been sitting here. Some started over the winter, some not. Well, the shed had been started down there, but it didn't want to start, but not enough juice. So I decided I'd move on instead of taking the seat off, and I'd get the XS400 going. Started working on it, and the key wouldn't even go in the ignition. Somehow there's little pieces of plastic I had to dig out of the ignition with a needle to finally get it to work. And then the battery's completely dead, so got to get it charged. Even with the kickstart, didn't want to do nothing. So moved on to the Marauder, the White Knight, and battery on it was too low, so pulled the seat off, put the jump box on it, got it fired up. Well, in doing that, I figured out the air filter had fallen off the back of it, so then I put the air filter back on it, off the back carb, got it to the end of my driveway over here, and it dies. So then I have to jump it again, put the seat back on it while it's running, and in doing so, lost one of those seat bolts, so now I gotta get another bolt put in there. Then I decided, well, I'm going to take it around the block, let it charge up the battery. Well, I took it around the block, and then I was 2 blocks away and ran it out of gas. I had to push it back. So none of them are cooperating with me, other than, of course, the Mad Maxim here. And it doesn't care what you do. It pretty much starts right up. But seems like some days I'm trying to you get 2 steps forward and 5 steps back. So... but I'll get them back going. So just what happens with letting them sit over the winter.